Benefits of goat farming in Pakistan. Number 1. Goats are comparatively cheaper to buy and sell than cattle. Number 2. Easy to maintain than any other livestock. Number 3. Reproduction process being earlier than other animals and gestation period is very less. Number 4. You can produce wide variety of products including meat, milk, skin, fiber at same times from goat. Number 5. Goat can survive by consuming low quality food and in adverse conditions they can survive by consuming small amount of food. Number 6. You can easily manage goat with other livestock animals and crop production. Number 7. Raising goats is very easy to simple. Even children and women can easily raise and take good care of them. Number 8. Has a great demand in the market, so you don't have to worry about marketing your farm products. Number 9. Goat farming is a very popular, unique and incredible business model in Pakistan. Number 10. The another benefit of starting goat farming in Pakistan is that goat product has very solid and demand in the local and international market. Number 11. Goat farming in Pakistan costs less than establishing any other livestock animal farming business. Number 12. Requires less labor and management. Number 13. You can easily raise 10 goats in this space and cost required for a cattle.